Hey guys, it's Max again from Let's Go Surfing. I did a session not long ago about how to paddle just generally in the surf, kind of like a beginner's level of how we do that. Today we're going to learn about how we paddle onto waves and how to position ourselves in the lineup so we can get as many waves as we can, get onto the waves as early as we can and have the best fun possible. Alright guys, so while you're paddling out to where you want to surf, it's important that you're looking at the waves and seeing where they're breaking. And that way, once you get out to the lineup, you can sit up on your board. I like to sit kind of 90 degrees, so that way you can look where the waves are, as well as where the people are in front of you. So while you're paddling into the wave, it's important you see where the wave is peaking first, and you want to be moving towards wherever the wave is breaking. So it's not always optimal to just paddle directly in towards the beach. Sometimes you might have to paddle to the left or slightly to the right to help you get into the wave at a better spot. When you're paddling onto the wave, it's important you look to the left and to the right because sometimes there might already be a surfer on the waves. Alrighty, a little bit more of a kind of advanced way to get into the wave is letting the tail of the board sink, and then as you push off, letting your chest kind of rise up with the board, you'll get this big push, and that'll help you get started when paddling. So you'll get like an extra speed boost paddling into the wave. When you're getting better at paddling, guys, it's important to come down to the beach as much as you can because reading the lineup actually makes it so much easier to paddle. You'll notice sometimes there are decent surfers out there who tend to get into waves really easily and might only be paddling 3 or 4 strokes to get into them. Others might be struggling a little bit more, and that's just purely based on the fact that they understand where the waves are breaking, they understand where to sit in the lineup. So try and get down to the beach as much as you can. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any more questions about how to paddle or if you want to come get some lessons, feel free to call up the shop at Let's Go Surfing or come down and get a lesson yourself.